drag a video into the Premiere Pro and then click on Keep Existing Settings. I recorded this video with ScreenFlow, but I want to get rid of all of the spaces here where I'm not doing any of the work. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do next. Click on Window, click on Workspaces, and then click on Text-Based Editing. With your video selected, click on Transcribe. There we go. My video is about 5 minutes long, and it took Transcribe 30 seconds to transcribe. These little 3 dots right here, if we click on them, selects that area where I'm not talking. I can press the delete on my keyboard to get rid of that. Select the next one and press delete on the keyboard to get rid of that. Let's do another one. Press delete. You get the idea. Now, listen to what we have. In this video, I'm going to show how you can crop a photo that is using static objects, vertical and horizontal, and crop the photo so these objects will be at an angle, giving the design movement. How awesome is that?